So I'm Melissa, and I take care of the barn animals and our bison here at ZooMontana. Been here for about 3 years, and one of my favorite parts of the job is giving enrichment to our animals. Enrichment is a vital part of what we do here, caring for these animals. Their main purpose here at the zoo is to give you, our guests, the best experience possible, educate you a little bit about them as a species and their counterparts out in the wild. And our jobs as their caretakers is to give them the best possible life they can have, give them the best possible mental and physical stimulation on a daily basis that we can. And that's where enrichment comes into play. Enrichment is anything we can do for these guys to keep their bodies and their minds active and engaged. As you walk around the zoo, you'll see a lot of different things in different exhibits. You'll see keepers interacting with their charges, with their animals that they work with. You'll see us doing training. You'll see strange things like boxes in exhibits. Those are things that are enrichment. So enrichment is given to an animal to try to elicit a natural behavior, to keep them engaged and stimulated with their environment and what's going on around them. You can imagine as a person, if you spent your entire life in a room and nothing around you ever changed, the same television show was on repeat over and over and over, and the same music was playing, you had no change of scenery, things would get boring pretty quickly. So for these animals, it's the same sort of thing. We want to make sure that they have new, exciting things in their environment every single day. So we give them a variety of things to keep them engaged, and those can range from toys. You'll see a lot of strange balls and oddly shaped giant plastic things like out in the bear pool floating around. Animals that love to interact with water, we give them pools and we'll let them splash around in the pools. Animals that forage, like our donkeys, they spend the majority of their time foraging. We give them toys that make foraging a little bit more complicated. If you have your food just on a big plate, you're probably just going to eat it really, really fast, which is exactly what our donkeys would be more than happy to do. So we make it a little more challenging for them. I put it in a big toy ball, so it gives them something to do with their day. We do training with all of our animals, and that helps us work with them in a calmer manner. It helps us do their any kind of medical procedures we need to do for them with minimal stress, and it also helps engage their minds. So enrichment can be a huge variety of things. It encompasses pretty much everything we do with these animals on a daily basis. We change up their environment. We take them on walks to see the other animals. We give them new smells in their environment if they're a scent-oriented animal. And these are all things that just make their lives a little bit more enjoyable and helps us teach you what these animals are capable of and what they do out in the wild. It's all the most exciting, to me, the most exciting part of the job. We work really hard to come up with new ideas on a regular basis for our animals to make sure that they're having the best life that they can. And that's a place where you, our visitors, can actually step in now too. We actually have a wish list for our animals on our website, and you can go in and see what the animals, what they need, what's going to help enrich their lives, and you can help donate towards those items as well. So working all together, those of us who take care of the animals and our guests who come in to see these guys every day, we can give these guys the very best possible lives that we can imagine, and that's all we want for them. We want you to be able to connect with these animals and get really connected to nature and care about conservation and these guys in the wild and here at the zoo. So enrichment is the best.